want to give an effective presentation? Do you want your audience to remember learning for a longer period? Do you want management to take decision based on your presentation more effectively and efficiently? If the answer is yes, I share with you top 5 strategies for effective presentation. Let's talk about it. Hello everyone, I'm Neetu Chaudhary. Let's start with the first strategy. It is 10 minutes rule. Have you ever noticed the LinkedIn learning videos, TED Talk videos, or the most popular YouTube tutorials? The duration is not more than 15 to 20 minutes. Reason is that the human attention span is very limited. Today's world, where we are surrounded by a lot of information, a lot of gadgets, and information is flooding towards us, attention span has even reduced. People can focus on something for not more than 10 to 15 minutes. So try to curtail your presentation from 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours to 10 minutes or 20 minutes maximum, not more than that. After that, audience will lose focus. Once I was called for the presentation and the duration was 10 minutes, but actually my presentation was planned for 45 minutes. I really struggled to curtail that presentation from 45 minutes to 10 minutes. But that challenge was worth taking it, because I learned that day the audience learn better in 10 minutes than what they learn in 45 minutes. So this is the first strategy. Second strategy is stand and talk. We think better, we are more alert when we stand and talk. Along with being alert and more mobile, we get 360 degrees space to roam around, use our hand gestures, use our body gestures, and meet different audience while talking. So standing and talking is very useful. Now there are hundreds of strategies for using your hand gesture, your movement, all these things. We'll talk about that some other time. The third strategy is lean. Go lean. Make your presentation as slim, as lean as possible. Now how to make a presentation lean? First thing is picture. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Use pictures, graphs wherever possible. So it makes it easy for audience to understand and learn about the topic or grasp or understand the information faster than reading words or complex numbers. Second way of making a presentation lean is that 5x5 rule. A presentation, any slide should not have more than 5 sentences, and each sentence should not be more than 5 words. That's it. It's 5x5 rule. If it's too much information, people will not focus on what the person is speaking, but they'll focus on reading what is written on it. It will distract them. The third way of making the presentation lean is that the title has to be small and crisp. If the title is long, this means something is wrong with the presentation and the slide. And the most important, one idea per slide, not more than that. So these are some ways of making your presentation lean. This was the third strategy. The fourth strategy is tell a story. We all love listening to stories. From ancient time till now, all the knowledge has been transferred to human race through different stories. Story has 3 phases. The beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end of the story. What is there in the beginning of the story? Beginning of the story talks about the as-is situation, current challenges, current reality, this thing. Then the middle of this story talks about the actions which are being taken or the actions which are planned, the challenges which are there, and some hero comes and takes the action. And finally, the last part gives us the victory aspect of it, the achievements which are done by the team, or the proposals out of some problem as a situation, some challenges are there, and what is the proposal for management to take decision. So like this, if you create your presentation with a flow, it will help audience to remember it for longer time and visualize it and correlate with it. So storytelling is very, very important thing in giving an effective presentation. There has to be a logical flow in your presentation. The last strategy is focus on only 1 to 5, maximum 5 learning outcomes or the decision to be made. 5 is also too much. I would say that 1 or 3, or if you really have to club the things, make it 5, not more than that. Because if it is more information, people cannot remember it and use it. If there is a logical sequence, even then they'll find it difficult if it's a complex story. So make it simple, learning objectives, so the decision to be made by the management should not be more than 1 to 5 in one specific presentation. These were the 5 strategies. We'll go through it quickly once again. The first one is the 10-minute rule. Second is lean presentation. The second is the stand and talk, lean presentation, storytelling, and focus on 5 outcome maximum, not more than that. These are the 5 strategies which we have seen today. I have an exercise for you. I would request you to give a talk or give a presentation to your known audience without applying these strategies. Give the talk to same audience, the same presentation after applying these strategies, and share your experience below in comments. Thank you so much. I hope it has helped you. Happy presenting.